so much.
That's devotion. That's bhakti. So you're asking a question that we're married and we're working people, very busy with our lives and our work and our families. We have little time to do devotion, but you cited this verse from 9th chapter Gita, verse 22. Ananyash chintyanto mam ye jana paripashate tesham nityabhyuktanam yogakshemam mahamyaham. Of course, Krishna is explaining about different types of worshippers. Some that do sacrifice and some that do worship. Some want to go to heaven. But in the middle of all these kind of discussions, where the Vedas are talking about Swarga Mukti, enjoying in Swarga Sukh, and then he kind of steps back and says, well, all these type of materialistic people, there's another person called a devotee. And he thinks of me, Mam, Chinta Mam. So, Ananyas Chintyanto Mam, it's a matter of degree. Like Krishna says, always think of me. So always thinking of Krishna means 24/7. And every second, every minute, every hour. So who can do that? Someone who has nothing else to think about can do that. So the yogi, this Babaji sannyasi, the brahmachari, the celibate man, woman who lives alone and has independent money and finances, and all money is there already without working, so all facility is there. They have nothing to do but hear and chant and remember Krishna. So those, how many out of every 10,000 Krishna bhaktas, how many are like that? Maybe one. It's due to bhagya, it's due to destiny, good fortune, that someone can be in such a position where they have no family, no job, but they have sufficient means and facility to live, and they may even have some degree of health, so that all day and night they can just think of Krishna. So that's such a person, he experiences Krishna directly in his life, giving that person whatever he requires to think more of Krishna and preserving anything he has which helps him, and while also removing anything that's in the way. So for the fully surrendered Krishna, if we're fully surrendered to Krishna, and he's fully surrendered to us. So anything less than that position, we're just trying our best. Because this whole discussion here, we're talking about Mahatmas. It's all about yoga. Yoga, karma yogas, yogis who want to go to heaven. And these are the bhakti yogis. So it's a matter of percentage. It's just like Madhurya Kadamani. Vishnu Chakravarti talks about cessation of anarthas at different stages of devotion. We have 10% Krishna consciousness and 90% Maya consciousness, then 50% Krishna consciousness, then 50% Maya, then 80% Krishna, 20%, and finally 100%. So that's why we have different stages, different kramas. Anartha Nivriti, then Nishta and Ruchi. So these are all different degrees of attachment to Krishna and different degrees of remembrance of Krishna and different degrees of detachment and freedom from the influence of Maya or the external energy. So Ananya Chinta, that Ananya means that it doesn't go anywhere else. Every second, every minute, your mind is full with the name, the name and form and qualities and pastimes of Radha and Krishna and Vrindavan. Paryupasate. This is the ultimate worship. This is the goal. So, okay, I'm not halfway there. I'm maybe 1/10 of the way there. But 1/10 is better than nothing. You're saying, what is the hope? The hope is that I'm doing something and I try to do more. And just that kind of repentance and that kind of sorrow or sadness, oh Krishna, I wish I could do more, but I can't. I need so much rest, and I have so many family responsibilities and so many sevas and chores to do for simple maintenance and cleaning and cooking and shopping and washing and ironing. many things, and going to work and doing homework and after work and seminars. So I don't have much time. But Krishna, that's why we always say, Baba Grahi Janardhan. Krishna's, he's examining not numbers, but he's examining the mood, the bhav, the devotion. Where is your real love and where is your real attachment? Are you just saying, I love you, Krishna, I want to be with you, Krishna, and it's only lip service and not really heartily meant? So Krishna's testing. So it's clear, he says, I carry what they lack and preserve what they have. So generally, what we find and what we have seen in our 43 years of the practicing Krishna Bhakti Bhajan, we see that devotees of all different levels of devotees, single, married, etc., they, in their own way, Krishna's preserving what they have and carrying what they lack. He's making arrangements for them. And each devotee, each serious and surrendered devotee, he can understand personally, individually, oh, Krishna is helping me. Krishna, all my friends and all my schoolmates, they applied for this job. And we all had equal level of qualification. But somehow I got it. Or why I got it? Because Krishna wanted you to get it. Krishna rewarded you. Yoga Shemvam Vahamyam. Vaham, I carry. So Krishna promises to help his devotees. So that's our hope. Whatever we're doing, we see results.